brothers. In Baghdad, a merchant died, leaving 1,000 gold coins for each of his 3 sons. They set up shops as merchants. After a while, the eldest brother was bored and wished to travel. He sold off his shop and its wares and went off to try his fortune. He returned after a year and came to his youngest brother. He looked like a beggar, for he had lost everything. The youngest brother had used his money wisely and increased it to 2,000 gold coins. So he gave half of that to his elder brother, who set up his shop again in the market. Sometime later, the second brother wanted to see the world. Therefore, selling off his shop, he went away with the caravan. Like his elder brother, he returned poor and broken. Once again, the youngest brother helped him and he too started his shop. For some years, things went well with the brothers. The jealous brothers. Sometime later, the 2 elder brothers persuaded the youngest one to travel. He had 6,000 gold pieces. He gave them 1,000 each and buried 3,000 in his house. They loaded a ship with goods and set off trading at various ports. At one port, a beautiful but poor woman asked the youngest brother to marry her. Reluctantly, he agreed. She turned out to be kind and good, and her husband was very happy as they prospered. But this made the elder brothers very jealous. One night, they threw the couple into the sea. They did not get drowned, for the wife was actually a fairy with magic powers. She whisked them back to their home. But she was so angry that she decided to punish his brothers. The younger brother dug up the coins and set up shop. Then he found 2 black dogs in his house. They were his brothers. The fairy had vanished. The man and his hind. An old man always went everywhere leading a hind tied with a rope. When he was asked why he took her everywhere, he said she was his wife. He explained that they had no children, so he had adopted the son of a slave as his son and looked after his mother too. When his son was 10 years old, the man had to go away for more than a year. His wife learned magic and changed his son into a calf and its mother into a cow. She handed over both of them. When the man returned, she told him that the mother had died and the son had vanished a few months ago. The man hoped his son would return, but for months there was no sign of him. The man grieved always for his lost son and felt great pity for the dead slave. The deception discovered. Some months later, a feast was to be held. The man told his steward to sacrifice one of the cows. Unfortunately, it was the slave who was sacrificed. But she was found to be so thin that the man called for a fat calf instead. To his wife's delight, it was his son who was brought. But when the calf fell at the man's feet and wept, he refused to kill it. The steward told the man, "My daughter knows magic, sir. She says that the calf is actually your son." The man asked the girl if she could turn the calf back into his son, and she agreed, on condition that she married his son and punished his wife as she had harmed him. The man consented, and as soon as the calf became his son, he married the steward's daughter. She turned his wife into a hind and he led her on a rope.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.